Hey everyone, I'm Andrew, and welcome to Tech Check. In today's video, I'll be unboxing two items, kind of the same, kind of not, but here we have two of the AtGames Flashback Blasts, the Bandai Namco Flashback, and the Legends Flashback. Now as I said, both these products are made from AtGames. They're basically just plug-and-play retro games that you can plug into your TV's HDMI port and use the wireless controller, have a little bit of fun for a not very expensive price, as I got this bundle of both products for $19.99 Canadian, not from QVC as it would say here, but from the Canadian shopping channel. Most of the sides are basically the same, which is why I chose to do both these unboxings in one. The front here it tells you how many games are built into this exact version, the Bandai Namco being 8 games, the Legends being 12 games. The Bandai Namco version comes with a yellow HDMI, wireless HDMI port that connects with your controller. And the Legends one, of course, having a blue one that connects to your controller here. Now, they've switched over here. The blue one's here, the yellow one's here. And as you can see at the top, they're basically the exact same thing. Have a blast with your favorite classics. Timeless gameplay, wireless HD on a big screen, just pick up and play. You're sure to have a blast. Same thing on this side. Then it lists the 12 games, or on this one, the 8 games that are included from Burger Time, Burnin' Rubber, Escape It, Frontline, Jungle Hunt, Lock and Chase, Miss It, Polaris, Shield Shifter, Space Invaders, Space Raid, and Strip Off here on the Legends version. And then on the Namkai Bandai one, Bandai Namco one, you have Dig Dug, Galaga, Galaxian, Mappy, Pac-Man, Sky Kid, the Tower of Druaga, and Xevious. So I'm going to open them one at a time as there is just one of me. They'll probably be packaged the same, but we'll do them both anyways. So looking at the box, it is taped at the top and bottom, holding each of them closed. The tape has released multiple times. Oh yeah, and here's the one time it doesn't actually want to release for me, right? But that doesn't matter, as I have my trusty knife right here. We're just going to cut that tape. Remember everyone, cut away from you, to reveal what's inside. Put that knife away quickly. And now that that's open, we can open the box and show you how it's packaged. Okay, seems to be in this little cardboard type packaging. We'll just slide that out. Get rid of the main box. Oh, there's your little keychain. Get rid of that box with nothing's left in it. It's, well, cheaper than I thought it would be, but, oh, it's got actually 2 pieces there. You got the Pac-Man and a Ghost. But okay, it's free. As I said, this unit was $20 for the combo, so $10 each. You get a free cheap keychain. How nice. Then this is maybe a little poster. Explore the world, explore more of the classic world. So these are all the available ones, I'm assuming. And then just an image of the blast unit itself, letting you know the features of this one. And then on the back, oh, I guess this is kind of your manual to how do I confirm that the dongle connects. Okay, so setup and charging, changing batteries and syncing, starting to play. Okay, some people might need that. And right here, oh, there's your 2 little stickers that they include. And here's your Blast HDMI dongle. Oh, sorry. Hit the camera there. That would be your micro USB power. Maybe that's a sync or a reset button or something. You have AtGames kind of punched out in the bag. Maybe that's for cooling or just for the look, as the rest isn't fully punched out. And this little clip, just kind of a friction-based press, no click or anything really. And that's your HDMI that you would plug into your TV or monitor or whatever. And as I said, then you would plug micro USB in from there into your TV's USB port or the power brick, something. Hopefully you have something near. And then other than that, we just have this little controller. Oh, and your micro USB cable. So let's get rid of this and take a closer look at the controller. Okay, well the buttons are very clicky and it feels very wide for some reason. Maybe that's just me, but the top here it shows, okay, this is P1. Well, there's only one player, I guess. It just came with one controller. on-off switch. You have your D-pad, which, as I said, it's $10. Can't expect the world. Have your menu, start, rewind. They're all very tactile. You know when you're pressing them. I'm guessing this is maybe an LED letting you know when it's on or something. Not positive. Might just be a little black thing. Looking at the back, have 4 screws holding this unit together. Your little battery panel here, where you would put in your dual AAA 1.5 volt batteries that power this unit. Put that battery cover back on. But that's about it for this one. Let's quickly open the Legends Flashback. And I'm expecting basically more of the same. Once again, get my little knife. Cut away from you, everybody. Okay, that didn't work as well as I thought. I'm kind of cutting the cardboard. Alright, there we go. Pop the lid. Make sure this is the same. Yep, same basic thing. You can see where I cut the cardboard a bit. Flip this down. Check. Here's our little keychain. Get rid of that. Here's our 2 stickers. So they'll go somewhere around my desk for sure. A little Space Invaders keychain. Then one more of these little blast things letting you know how to set this up. And then the unit itself. Here's your blue HDMI. And your controller. Oh, I'm going to have to put a mark on these. I thought maybe this would be a different color or something. Just so I don't get them mixed up. I'm not sure if you can mix them up. I'm sure you could possibly sync them. Get rid of that packaging. But then again, the micro USB cable, don't think I showed it to you. It's super short. So that's got to go from this unit to like something to power. Hopefully your TV has a USB cord or you have a longer spare micro USB cord. Other than that, once again, just basic HDMI male, your reset or something port, your charging port, AtGames punched out in the back, little design, little sticker. Okay, but that's about it for what comes with these 2 units. How about we plug one of them in and take a look at some of the games. So I plugged in the Bandai Namco Flashback Blast, and if you haven't noticed yet, there's no audio. I tried a couple games, no audio. Only thing I got was like an interference hiss, and nobody wants to listen to that all day, so I've actually got this muted right now for the video, so you guys don't have to put up with a hiss in your ears the whole time you're trying to watch this. But I guess we can continue on with no sound for now. As you can see, the first page that loads up once you power it up, as it's powered up here by my power bank, is this main page right here listing 6 of the included games, each having a screenshot on the left side of the game, and then of course the last 2 games on the second page. Down in the bottom right corner, letting you know that the D-pad to move around, of course, A to select, and then menu for about. We're not going to go into that because there's really no info on the about page. But how about we hop in to the featured game on this Flashback Blast, and that's Pac-Man. So we're going to hit A like it says to select, and see, nice and responsive there. Okay, you got Pac-Man loading up. That was fairly quick. I didn't mind that. I'm going to hit start to start the game. And I'm not great at Pac-Man, so please don't roast me in the comments about how bad I am at this game. I'm just really trying to get a feel for if I like this setup. The controller, like the buttons feel great. The D-pad itself, like you can hear the clicks, but you don't feel anything. And look, it's not moving. It wasn't even moving left. You could see me pounding left and it didn't go left. Okay, maybe that was just me. Okay, no, it didn't want to go down there. I had to hit it like twice. Look. Okay, yes, this controller is not responsive. This is crap. This controller is crap. I'm surprised I didn't die right there. I don't know what more I can say. If you're playing a game like Pac-Man where you need your... Oh, now it's working? So you have to jam on it hard for it to work. If you just do a soft press, it is not gonna like be responsive at all. It's not gonna know you even pushed a button. So yeah, my review on this one, at least for Pac-Man, at $10, your kids might like it, but you're not gonna. So as you can see, I've now hooked up the blue Flashback Legends Blast, or Legends Flashback Blast, I should say. And yes, this is a different controller. I have the blue sticker to tell them apart. As you can see, both of them are like exactly the same controllers. Hopefully, this one is a bit more responsive than the last one. But as you can see, once again, I'm not getting any audio. I can't say there would be audio on this main page, but you'll see once we jump into a game, and I can see I can hear through my OBS that I'm just getting the straight hiss again. So, once again, I've muted the audio for you guys, and we're just going to do a video. So, looking at the Legends Flashback Blast page here, unlike the other one, you have all the games listed in 2 rows, but just 1 page. There's no second page this time. At the bottom again, letting you know to use the D-pad to move around, and wow, look at that delay. And if I push the button more than once, it won't register it. So, but yeah, again, bottom, D-pad to move, A to select, menu for about. We don't need to go into the about. There's really no information about the games at all there. So, just jump right into Space Invaders. We're going to hit A. Like I said before, if you don't jam on those buttons, they don't register. Okay, Space Invaders, 30 points, 20 points, 10 points. So that must be like the rankings. Press fire key to start. Okay, see, it loads up fairly good. It's like, why are some of them so fast and other parts so delayed? Maybe it's a fact, like I said, of it being wireless, but I don't know. When I want to play a quick game, quick retro game, I want to have fun, okay? I don't want to be frustrated. And all this is doing is frustrating me. Yeah, I love these old games, and I probably will use this. I'm not going to say I won't, but it's not as good as it could be. Like, for myself, who has a Raspberry Pi, a Retro Pi, I should say, this doesn't come close. So, for the price, maybe you want to pick it up for your kids or something. But if you're looking to bring back the nostalgia of your old game playing days, this is not something I would use for that. Well, thanks for watching my unboxing of the AtGames Legends and Bandai Namco Flashback Blasts. To be honest though, this product here wasn't much of a blast. More frustrating than anything. Starting with not being able to get sound on any device I plug these into. TV, receiver, computer, anything. Capture card. And then the controls, like the D-pad is just so mushy. You have to jam that button. Like, it feels like it clicks, but it doesn't register. So, I don't know what's going on. And it's both of them. It's not like it's just one. Maybe that's why these were on sale. Maybe they're just trying to get rid of them. But even at $10 a piece, I cannot recommend these. However, if you're in for a world of pain, or, just want to give them a shot, I'll post some links in the description below where you can possibly pick up your own set of the AtGames Flashback Blasts, as there's many more than just these 2. And if you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up, leave a comment, and possibly subscribe. I'm Andrew, and this was Tech Check.